Winds caused all sorts of problems for us here in western Massachusetts. Meteorologist Nick Bannin explains the conditions that caused the wind.
You may be wondering why it was so windy over the past 24 hours. Well, to understand that, we have to understand the weather setup. We had an area of low pressure pass just to our north and an area of high pressure just to our south and west. High pressure is typically associated with nice weather. Low pressure, rain or snow, and of course it was rain for us during the day yesterday. Now, to measure the pressure differences between a low and a high, we put these lines on the map. These lines are called isobars. They are lines of constant pressure, and with each line from a high to a low, the pressure drops 4 millibars, and that's how we measure pressure differences. Now, when you've got those lines so tightly packed together like they were over western Massachusetts and in New York as well, you get gusty winds. In our case, it was out of the west and northwest, and in some cases it brought damage. I'm 20 News Storm Team Meteorologist Nick Bannin.